Hi, I'm Gobinath Tamilwanan, the Product Marketing Manager at Keysight Technologies. Keysight is at the forefront of the education industry, advancing teaching and learning with innovative solutions. Keysight provides hardware and software tools to transform academic teaching labs. As part of the local and global community, Keysight is very involved in STEM. We have programs encouraging youths from all backgrounds to pursue a future in engineering and science, like yearly innovation challenge contests worldwide and more. Today, we are excited to showcase a digital learning and lab management platform to our discerning college and university educators and lab managers. We understand you need a secure, one-stop, web-based digital learning solution to accelerate engineering learning and transform engineering students into industry-ready engineers. The digital learning experience begins here. Let us now present to you Keysight's digital learning software suite.
Digital transformation accelerates digital learning. When it comes to engineering education that involves hands-on experience on lab testing equipment, how do we push the boundaries to transform digital learning experiences? Keysight accelerates innovation with the new Digital Learning Suite, a unified web-based digital learning platform with secure, one-stop access to university engineering lab resources, measurement data analysis tools, and industry-ready learning resources. The new software enables educators and students to accelerate innovation and solve design, emulation, and test challenges. Engineering education is now accessible anytime, anywhere. The Digital Learning Suite provides remote access and control to engineering lab resources for optimal online and hybrid lab experience. Students can easily control the lab instruments from an integrated web interface powered by Keysight PathWave Test Automation Test Sequencer. Its hands-on collaborative tools help students to visualize, compare, analyze, and share test results in real time. This software comes with advanced test tools to reduce workflow processing time by allowing students to take multiple measurements simultaneously for comparison on the same platform. Students can now access university engineering resources via this software anytime and no longer bounded by lab operating hours. This flexibility accelerates lab project completion time. The Learning Suite enriches the self-paced learning experience with thousands of on-demand, industry-ready learning resources. It exposes students to the emerging technology demonstrated by Keysight technical experts. The Learning Suite seamlessly integrates with your existing university learning management system. It provides access to a holistic end-to-end education journey from anywhere at any time via a secure web interface. The Digital Learning Suite empowers the engineering educators to transform students into industry-ready engineers. Digital learning experience starts here. Visit us at Keysight/find/digital-learning-suite for demo videos or contact us for a live demo.
I hope this video provides you with a good summary of the Digital Learning Suite's benefits. It is a secure, web-based, one-stop access to university engineering lab resources, hands-on collaborative tools for measurement data analysis, and thousands of self-paced, on-demand learning resources. During the early stages of the software development, we asked a few college and university educators and lab managers to test out its functions and capabilities. Here are some of the feedback and testimonials we have received.
My name is Dr. Kevin Hornegay. I am the Eugene Deloach Endowed Professor in the School of Engineering, as well as the Director of the Cybersecurity Assurance and Policy Center at Morgan State University. Really, over the past 2 years, 3 years since the inception of COVID, it's really had a profound impact on how we work, how we communicate, how we deliver instruction, particularly in the laboratory where students require access to the instrumentation. And these are some of the challenges, but it forced us to work smarter and not harder. As technology today moves at a rapid pace, to best prepare our students for success, we have to make sure we place the latest and greatest technology in their hands. But the challenges with that is that to do so on an equitable basis so that they can really compete on a global level. One of the great things that the Keysight software framework helps is what I call the aha moment. Students have different learning styles. So a student who's more apt to mathematics is going to pick up on the theory, but you have some tactile and visual learners who don't grasp the concepts until they see it, they touch it. So the framework enables the students to have a physical connection with the theoretical concepts. I teach an electronic circuits class where we teach students how to design amplifiers. So I can show them actual measurements in real time and show them the actual circuit. I can show them the simulation results and the connection between the two. So they have that visual cue. I can certainly see how the software enhances my engineering teaching workflow. We can reach a larger group of students with a small footprint. And that's what's great about this technology. It's had a great impact on how we work. We've been more efficient. It helped us with our collaboration with other universities who don't have access to the instrumentation that we have, but it allows us to share that. So it made us more productive, and it enabled us to stay ahead of the curve, so to speak. What I enjoy most about the students is just who they are, where they come from, the challenges that they face, but their desire to overcome, to achieve, and commitment to excellence. We take these students, we give them access to the latest and greatest technology, and then we turn them loose out into the world where they become leaders. At Morgan, our student profile is different. We're an urban setting, so our students are young single mothers and fathers who work while trying to better themselves. The student who works part-time and doesn't have time to come into the labs, the software package enables me to offer lab instruction to many students in a very small footprint. It supports a hybrid kind of instructional setting, which is great. What this training system presents to the students is that they get the data and information quickly, at any time, anywhere. It's technology and the framework that helps us to meet them where they are. I think that's really a game changer.
Next, we have Bernard Ang, my colleague from Keysight Global Marketing, with a very special guest. Over to you, Bernard.
Thanks, Gobi. Today, I'm delighted to interview Yip Wee Chong, Keysight's Education Business Director, about her plans for the digital learning software suite's future. Hi, Yip Wee. Thank you very much for spending some time with me.
Thanks for having me, Bernard.
For the first question, I'm curious, how long has Keysight been involved in producing products to empower educators in engineering fields to teach their modern generation students effectively? What are some of the products?
Education has long been Keysight's strategic focus since the HP days. Backed by our industry measurement expertise, we provide the PathWave design and test simulation software, test and measurement equipment for basic electronic labs, RF labs, digital labs to help enrich the learning of engineering fundamentals. Over the years, as technology evolves, we started to introduce project-based learning through courseware and lab work, such as the IoT, RF, 5G, to help universities accelerate emerging technology learning into their curriculum. As of now, we have partnered with more than 30 universities worldwide for industry-ready certification and have seen more than 1,000 students certified to date. Overall, our portfolio focuses on end-to-end learning from simulation, design, prototyping and validation through software and hardware, from measurement solutions to lab management solutions.
Okay, do you see Learning Software Suite as a game changer in the education industry? How do the new aspects of this software suite help to solve our customers' current needs?
Yes, this software suite is definitely a game changer for the education industry. If you look at the commercial industry, many processes in the consumer world has gone digitally. This is the same for university pedagogy and learning management, where they are moving into the learning management system, LMS in short. However, there's a gap right now that engineering lab work remains standalone due to the lab access and hands-on needs for the lab tools. Through conversation with many of our university partners, Keysight is addressing this challenge via the digital learning software suite. It provides unified, secure web-based access and controls to multi-vendor lab environment, powerful data visualization and analysis, and industry-driven learning resources. The best thing is, all of this can be accessed from the existing university learning management system everywhere and at any time.
Can you please expand on the current features that make the digital learning suite unique? Will there be more features and upgrades to the digital learning suite in the future?
Absolutely. We aim to continuously upgrade and enhance the digital learning suite's capability to support the learning and teaching workflow. This end-to-end learning management workflow includes, firstly, enable access to more education tools, including software and hardware, as well as simulation-based learning. Secondly, learning and teaching content expansion. And thirdly, smart lab management and analytics, such as collaborative learning tools for group learners, lab and asset setup and utilization features.
The new digital learning software suite can seamlessly integrate with any learning management system that supports the learning tool interoperability, in short LTI, by the One EdTech Global Learning Consortium. Why is this important?
For us, it is all about ensuring success to all. We intentionally look for ways to ensure a secure and seamless integration into the education institution's existing learning ecosystem. The LTI plugin support provides significant administrative and economical benefits, allowing intuitive external tools access. In this case, Keysight tools for curriculum integration, streamlining group learners, delivering personalized coursework and progress tracking to empower digital transformation in education. On top of that, university students can easily access to thousands of on-demand industry-driven learning resources from Keysight technical experts.
Interesting. Will the built-in on-demand learning resources continue to grow?
Absolutely, yes. We will continue to enhance the software suite to ensure a more streamlined experience and support improved learning engagement for everyone.
Thank you, Yu-Wei, for a very insightful conversation.
My pleasure, Bernard.
The new digital learning suite is a result of Keysight's years of commitment and support to the education industry. Its seamless integration with many universities' LMS, secure interface, and the many features you mentioned will be a game changer to the education industry. Over to you, Gobi.
Thank you, Bernard and Yibvi. If you are an educator or a lab manager from a college or a university, you are welcome to sign up for a 6-month free software trial. This trial software license allows you to evaluate the digital learning suite's capabilities for up to 5 concurrent users. You'll be able to access the digital lab operations and the self-paced learning resources. do try it out and see how the software suite transforms your classroom into a hybrid in-person and digital learning experience. Thank you for attending. For more information, download the relevant information provided on the resource window. Try out the software. Secure access to a complete industry-ready digital learning experience.
非常感谢专家们的讲解，同时也非常感谢大家参加是德科技的关于数字教学学习软件套件的研讨会。下面呢，我们进入问答环节。我的同事也是负责教育方案的技术专家朱云鹏会帮助大家回答问题。让我们来看一看大家都有哪些问题。OK。云鹏，这有一个问题，我们的实验室既有比较新的仪器，也有比较旧的仪器，这个软件能够与这些比较旧的仪器或者是非 Keysight 的仪器通信并控制它们吗？
这个是可以的。只要你的仪器有 SCPI 或者 IVI 兼容的接口，那通常来说，你可以用 USB 或者 LAN 口来连接你的仪器，甚至可以通过串口或者 SSH。直接和非仪器设备进行通信。比如呢，如果你有一个带有 RS232 串口的温箱，那你可以直接通过 PC 上基于外部的软件和它通信。
太好了。让我们来看一下下一个问题。我看到这个软件有一个非常好的画图工具来显示测试结果，这个软件是否还能做数据分析用？
是可以的。这个图表工具呢，可以显示仪器测试结果的一些细节，比如趋势图、XY 图表。那你甚至可以在 XY 图表中呢，增加一些数学函数，来帮助显示、比较、分析数据。那除了画图工具，这个软件还有一个强大的基于外部的仪器控制接口。那你可以根据仪器不同的设置和测试条件，同时在多个仪器上运行你的测试序列，并获得仪器测试的结果。你可以定制化你的仪器控制，以及呢结合 Python、C# 或者 MATLAB 的测试脚本来做数据分析。同时呢，可以把仪表控制及数据分析一并运行在这个软件框架下。那在此基础上，你可以以这个 CSV 或者是 Touchstone 或者是.mat 格式来导出测试数据或者做数据分析。
好的这个软件的数据分析功能还是很强大的。让我们来看下一个问题。我需要平衡我每天的教学和科研工作。这个软件怎么能帮助我教学呢？因为其实我是不想让我的教学效果打折扣。实际上，这位老师的问题是说他还要持续提高他的教学质量。
明白。其实很能理解作为老师在这个充满竞争的教育环境中所面临的挑战。那么既要紧跟产业的趋势，又要让学生呢有很好的学习效果。那其实这款数字学习套件呢，能够使这种实验室管理变得简化，并且这种井然有序。同时呢，能够提供业界主流的这种实验练习和课件。这些实验和课件呢，都是Keysight 专家通过几年的时间专门开发出来的。这些教学资源呢，很容易就可以集成到老师已有的学习管理系统的课程当中。那所以这个软件呢，是你课程的一个有效的补充，同时呢，也能为学生建立一个持久的知识平台，让学生进行全方位的学习。
好的。我们再看下一个问题就是说这位老师的问题是，你提到这个教育软件方案呢，是一个软件的套件能不能再详细的介绍一下这个套件的各个组成部分？
好的。这个呢是一个基于外部的软件，它提供了一站式的这种方案，不仅呢能够提供实验室资源的安全管理和访问， 还能够提供测试方案的自动化及数据分析。同时呢，软件包含了许多紧贴业界的应用的学习资源。那这个软件的名字呢是 SR101EDUA， 那么它包含2个模块，一个模块是 PW9300EDU， 是远程合作学习模块。那它呢带有一个安全的 SSO 健全和一个内置的学习工具交互功能。那这个功能呢是根据全球学习联盟的标准定义的，使用 LTI， 那你可以无缝连接这个软件到你这个大学的这个学习管理系统。同时它有一个远程的实验安排管理器和多用户的协调工具，可以用来做混合学习。它的第2个模块的名字呢是 PW8400EDU， 它是一个自动化测试和控制模块。它利用呢集成的 Web 接口，借助 Keysight PathWave 自动化测试序列引擎来控制所有的仪器。
非常好，非常好。我们看下一个问题啊。在实验室里使用这个软件的时候，我是比较关注安全，还有它的易用性，以及它的连接性。那刚才在这个研讨会里，我听到这个软件会检查所有的 e-box， 能不能说明它如何最大化我的实验室资源的使用，并形成一个更有效率的这个工作流程呢？
好的。那除了常规的实验时间呢，这个数字学习套件可以全天候，也就是7×24小时的接入。因此呢，它可以最大化实验室资源的利用。再一个呢，它是基于外部提供有序远程实验设备接入的。它内置了一个实验室的这种规划工具，允许学生呢与组员预定实验台，教授呢和实验室管理者可以通过电子审批流程来批准或者拒绝学生的接入。此外，软件呢还有一个交互工具，可以让学生和老师在线交流，并且呢可以借助视频来进行这个实验的指导以及仪表的控制，连接到他们的这个设计软件和分析工具上。这样呢，大家可以利用所有的这些工具，一站式的在网上拥有高效的学习体验。
好的。我们看下一个问题。能不能再多分享一下有关实验资源和课件的具体情况？
好的，没问题。很高兴能问到这个问题。这个软件呢，可以和很多 Keysight 付费实验训练仪器来进行配合使用。那比如说这种 RF 测试实验、IoT 无线通信实验、IoT 功耗测试实验等等。那学生呢，也可以直接进入许多 Keysight University 课程。那这些课程呢，涵盖很多行业，涵盖了很多最新的工程技术，像 5G 通信、IoT、汽车电子、半导体、数据中心、雷达等等。
好的，这个实验资源以及课件呢还是很多的。我们再看下一个问题。这个问题还是比较重要的一个问题。这个软件是如何收费的？
当前这个软件呢，单个 license 1年期的订阅价格呢是$8000。基于本地的服务器，一个 license 可以同时提供50个用户来使用。那么当然，对于教育的客户呢，我们会有特别的折扣。
我们的教育客户还有一个特别的折扣是吧？哇，这个非常好。我们再来看下一个问题。下一个问题是，针对数据安全性和私密性，Keysight 的数据软件会如何处理我们的数据呢？
这是个好问题。那一旦安装了这个数字软件套件呢，你可以灵活的管理用户的接入。那么这个软件呢，可以以一个插入式应用的方式安装在 LTI 兼容的学习管理系统当中。那任何的接入呢，都是需要你的授权的。如果你不希望这个软件集成到本地的 LMS 中，那么这个软件呢，有它自己的SSO 登录以及多因子健全的安全选项。那么请放心，这个数据传输呢，都是通过这个 AES 和 TLS 的加密协议来加密的。Keysight 呢，也不会通过这个软件收集任何的私人用户信息。
OK 太好了这下大家就该放心了好，那谢谢云鹏的解答由于时间关系呢，我们的问答环节呢就先到这里。如果大家还有问题呢，可以继续联系我们，或者联系你本地的是德科技的销售或者是技术人员。再次感谢大家参加我们的研讨会再见。
再见。